Well, here we are, day 2 of Bruce and Dusty's little adventure. Just got a bit of a tide issue at the moment, just trying to work out how we get the tinny down in the water, because there's a big drop off there. So we're going to try and third wheel it with a snatch strap and see what happens. And then we'll be back into it. What a great day yesterday. So hopefully we can have something similar and just get some big ones today. That's what we're chasing now, some trophies. So yeah, that would be exciting. Hopefully we get a couple. All right, we'll get this boat in the water. Yeah, so trolling was a big disappointment. Not much action there, so we're just going to push up now, up into the creeks, throw the net, get some bait, and then yeah, we'll get into our fishing. We'll tuck up into the snags, and yeah, hopefully we'll get some action like that. All right, let's go get some mullets.
Up in front.
I see it. Over here too. That's the throw. Just one.
Watch yourself.
Over there, left, Dusty. Yeah, they all scattering everywhere. Oh! Oh yes, good ones too. I thought they were little, but there's some good ones.
Yeah.
Oh, this esky is too hot to stand up.
Bring your thumb to it.
Yeah. Holy smokes. Ah. Looks like we got the lollipops. Oh. Where do you want them?
In the bucket as much as we can.
Oh, what a mess. Ah, my feet are burning. Oh, this is hard work.
Don't want to let go.
Little greenie. Oh, you got your mullet. Ah, little cod. At least we're on the board for the day. There you got him. He's coming in. Let's have a look.
Show yourself.
Uh-oh. Watch that rope. Uh-oh. 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 That's so lucky. I can't believe that didn't go around the motor then. Pull him in, Dusty.
Right.
Pull him in hard.
Does.
That's a shark. Do you want me to try and cut him?
Held it so that was
It's not been our day today. We're struggling a little bit today. We yeah, did some stuff earlier, like throwing some lures and tried some different spots, but yeah, it hasn't been happening. So we're just going to go back to what we know. Ready for the turn of the tide and the rush that came yesterday with that outgoing tide, and then I reckon we'll get a few then. I reckon you got a fish on there. Look how far it's gone. Oh, you miss it? Oh, what's going on here? This mine. Oh, oh, I think so. Oh, big bar. Oh, yeah. It was a big jump. Geez, I should get ready, eh? Probably not quite done yet. That's a good barra, mate. That's a nice barra. Yoo! That's a fat barra. Hold him up, mate. Let's have a look. It's a beauty. Well done, mate. That's over 80.
Yeah, let's get him on the brag mat and then get him in the water.
Sounds good.
85.
85. Awesome, mate. A bit of a ratty tail. Let's have a photo. Nice. Oh. Ah, you dirty dog. All over the lens. Should be better. Yeah, that's better. Nice. Nice work, Dusty.
She's ready.
Yeah. Ah! Nice work, mate.
Woo!
You!
Another one.
Oh! Hey? You getting a run? Yeah. Good enough. Yeah. This one's pretty good. Yoo-hoo. Another nice bass. Check out this cloud. Proper build-up cloud, that one. There's quite a bit of thunder and lightning in it, which is far enough away at the moment to not be concerned, but don't want it to come too close. Anyway, we got 2 barras so far on day 2. It's not quite as busy as yesterday, but we're still doing well. We've got a big mob of these. I don't know what they are, we just call them barrel lollies. They're good bait. They just don't stay alive, they die straight away. But everything loves to eat them, but they just don't stay on the hook very well. So fishing one of them and a livey mullet on the other one. So the 2 rods go on at once and sit back and hang on. Something on the barrel lolly, something very small. This will be funny. I didn't even know it was on. What's it gonna be? Caddy, classic. Dusty, you're on. You're too slow. Get him, Dusty. That's how it's done. Coming in easy now. Your sinker doing all the way up there. Caddy. Oh no. We're struggling. Catfish life. Oh! Oh what? Not that big or what?
Oh, big splash.
Hey! Oh! not a meter, so it doesn't matter.
Hey? Good enough.
Still got your bait. What do you think about that?
Sad. Sad about that. Oh, they're on the bite.
Get the dog. Oh. Handline him. Oh, go Dusty, go. That's you. Handline it. Yeah, he's jumping, mate. Oh, a little barra.
Yeah, have a look at it, tangled up in there.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, yeah, I see.
I think he's off anyway. He's just come, yeah, he's off.
No way.
I'm not feeling anything, unless he's swimming with me. Yeah, he's off, he's off. Wasn't big anyway.
No, he wasn't. Still. Oh, this is... Oh, Dusty, what is going on here?
What's happened?
This is just a complete mess.
Is it?
Yep.
Goodness.
Oh no! Missed him! Ah, it's having a run. Ah! We'll hang on to him too. Nice. That is a finger mark. Big enough for a good one too. Woohoo! Beautiful. Nice. That's gonna taste good, that one. Big lolly coming up. Nice, sorry mate. That's the one. Yeah, Barra. Not big enough. Oh. Geez, he's going hard. Hey, that's not bad. Get him, Dusty! Yoo! Nice fish.
Not bad, good size.
Good enough. Hey, don't hold my fish. What's that, 13 barras? That's how it's done.
Nice.
That's a nice fish. I'll let him go.
Absolutely.
Where the big dogs at? Can't complain, can you?
Sure to come.
That's a nice fish. That's a nice fat fish. We'll let him go. Hour max, I reckon, and then that tide will be pushing in. We've only got 3 barras today, but I'm bloody happy with that finger mark. It's definitely been a little bit slower than yesterday. Maybe the best is yet to come. I hope so. Alright, tide's pushing. I reckon we got 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes before it starts really cranking and we got to get out of here. Oh, can we get one? Come on, big dog, let's go. Come on. There's lots of bait kicking around now, so if ever's the time, it's right now.
You're like...
Sun's down and I think we're done. It would be nice if we got a run, but we don't have long left, so we're probably going to wrap it up now and get back to the boat ramp. Not as good today as yesterday, but still a bloody good day. We got just the 3 barras, eh, Dusty?
Oh, yeah.
I got 2, you got 1, but you got a bigger one. And that finger mark, that was nice. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna have to get back to the boat ramp now, get sorted, and we'll call it a day. All right, see ya. Well, that's a wrap. Yesterday was still a good day, but not as good as that bloody first day. That was unreal. So, such a good weekend and so many good fish and good times. So, hope everyone enjoyed watching that. We had a good time. So, yeah, bloody wicked, eh? We'll see you on the next one.